Why is it important to adjust your extremity, your shoulder, elbow, wrist, knee, or even ankle? Today's topic is importance of adjustment extremity. This is Dr. Masood Shambaizadeh. Welcome to Soft Touch Chiropractic. Okay, let's start with elbow and wrist. These are the two joints we all can relate because it's right. We work with them and we can see the interdependency of these two joints. Look at the end of elbow, the bone that is outside, we call that radius. And the reason it's called radius, you see the shape at the end of that bone is look like a circle. And that circle, it rotates around the other bone we call ulna. Is literally is like a U-shaped bone. And in front of that, you will see exactly same thing with radius. And the ulna that is inside has a radial circle shape that it rotates around the radius. And you will see these two joints, they should be able to rotate around each other freely in order for the elbow to rotate. Look at this gentleman. He has his drawing on his hand, so you can see the bone in relationship to each other. And you can see how the bone can rotate and can move, cooperating with each other, so it can create a nice, good range of motion for your elbow and wrist. Now that we realize interdependency of two joints, we need to talk about how chiropractor can help you. The very first thing a chiropractor usually does, looks for good range of motion. If there is not enough range of motion or is not a smooth range of motion, we're looking for locked or fixated joint. By releasing the fixation, believe it or not, we help both the joint below it and above treated joint, because we just established everything is interdependent in our body. The second thing a chiropractor looks for alignment. He wants to see if the two joints are completely aligned to each other, or is one too much posterior or too much inferior, or back and forth. And the third thing, we're looking for muscle spasm, if there's a spasm around the joint. And as such, we need to relieve the spasm. Of course, we're looking for pain that could be caused by trauma or just by muscle spasm or tendon. So next time you have shoulder, elbow, or wrist pain, please go to your chiropractor. And even if you see your shoulder and elbow rest don't move properly, usually at early stage, chiropractic or acupuncture, conservative case, they respond a lot better. So you want to avoid invasive procedures such as surgery or injection. Thank you for watching.